against the wall, put his foot on it. Oh wow, Dad, I need cake every day.
She has it right here.
Who's eating cake?
It's too dry.
You want some milk? You want some milk? There's cake under there. You can't just eat the icing, dog. Watch me. I'll show you what I can eat and what I can't.
I know, that's kind of...
Hey! How's that hanging up there?
Just then, it was my magic.
Oh!
Man, she liked that. She ain't doing that one.
Should I make some frosting? Yay, Sassy!
She's like, you think that's yay? Here's some more yay for you. Let's give it 2 buns up.